Hi guys, Lisa here from JoyfullyArt. Glad to be back again today. First off, I want to show you the painting from my last video. Not quite dry yet, but here it is. It's not quite dry in the middle. I don't know how I feel about it. I had a hard time getting it this way, you know that if you saw my last video. So, I don't know, maybe I'll keep it. And you might see it in a later video to a paint over. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments what you think. Put that one there. Just going to be working on an 8x10 today, and probably a short little video. Okay, let's just get started. I'm going to use black paint as my background. Kind of warm here today. The other day it was really nice. Today it's warm, like 86, 87. The other day it was in the 70s, so you never can tell this time of year what it's going to be like. Oh, goodness. Didn't hook up my TV for the picture today, so I hope I'm in frame. Guess I should have took the time to do that, but I didn't. Let's get a little bit more paint on, I think. I can get some of the sides. Go over the sides a little bit. So I don't have so much to do afterwards, I guess. Kind of being lazy today. There we go. I think that's pretty good. Just gonna do an open cut pour, something different I haven't done for a while, I guess. There we go. All right, let's torch the air bubbles out. It's important so you don't get like little divots in your paint. I guess that's what they're called. There we go. I got this little conduit thing that I use. Let's put it right there. All right, let's start out. Maybe to get a paper towel. Last time it shot all the way over on the floor, and by the time I got done cleaning up and everything, it was already dry, and it was very hard to get it off our hardwoods. So I don't want to do that again. Oops, that's got a booger in it, I think. Let me get that in there. I can tell from the way it's being squeezed. Going to use a little bit brighter colors because I think they look better on a black background. And I just got a little bit of this white. What is it called? Metallic white. Just have a little bit of it left, so I'm going to use that up. Again, I don't want to get too much, just a little bit, then we'll let her go. A little bit more white. Probably too much paint and it'll cover the whole canvas. I usually do that. Okay, let's let her out a little bit and sit for a minute. Let's give it a torch around there. Try not to melt the conduit. One time I had a plastic cup and it did melt a little bit, so that was kind of freaky. Freaky deaky. I didn't use any silicone in my paint, so go right off the edge there. I like that up there. Let's see what this can do. Really don't want to tilt it a whole lot because I want to, let's see, turn it around. I don't want you guys to be out of frame. If I do anything, I want to make it go off this way. I don't, bleh. Don't like working with black paint all that well. What do you guys think? I like it just the way that it is. Told you it was going to be a short video. I hope there's not too much paint on here. I always mix GAC into my paints. Golden GAC 800 into my paints. Helps prevent cracking and crazing in your paints. So I think I like it just like that. So that's great. Short, sweet, to the point. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. I would love a comment about the other painting, whether you think it's okay or whether I should, in the future, paint over it from my last video. Got 98 subscribers now, so please tell your family and friends about me, and get 2 more subscribers and we'll have that giveaway. Can't wait to do it. Whew, hot today, man. I appreciate all you guys so much. And as always, please have a great day.